How to make Davinci Resolve delete a clip from the timeline using the letter D instead of the letter delete, because D is there on the left side and I want to use, let's say, that portion of the keyboard. So let's go here to Davinci Resolve, keyboard customization. I want to use the command of the delete key, so click on that one. Ripple delete is the command, so keep in mind that one, ripple delete, and I want to apply that one to the D key. If I click on the D, D has enable clip as a command associated to it. Click on that one. Here at enable clip, delete the D key using that X. It's deleted from the D key. D key doesn't have any commands right now. Now go here to all commands and search for the ripple delete, which was here at the delete. So type in here ripple delete and apply that ripple delete to the edit tab. So here at ripple delete, click on that shift backspace and now press the letter D. And the key D, now it has a new command, it's ripple delete. Click on save. I will call it, let's say, test, and close it with OK, and close this window. Now if I select, let's say, that clip on the timeline and press the letter D, then this will be deleted and everything will be pulled to the left. So press the letter D and it's deleted. We can show that using the on-screen keyboard, OSK. And if I click on a clip, let's say that one, press the letter D instead of the delete, and it will be deleted and the clip will be pulled to the left. So D, and that's it. So that's how to make Davinci Resolve delete a clip from the timeline using the D key.